gorgeous, you pretty purple little thing. Now this is my girlfriend, the Bachelor button, and I'm going to demonstrate what I mean by hairy legs. Now for all the women out there, oh, and also the men, if you're a cyclist, you don't want to go out with hairy legs, do you? So when it comes to displaying your beautiful cut flowers in a vase, it's a big no-no to have these leaves engaged or submerged in the water. So what do? Well, you need to start grooming your stem. So you need to remove the leaves. Why do we remove leaves? I'll tell you why. Because bacteria breeds on leaves, and in contact with the water, it becomes an explosion, like a concert for bacteria to have a party. And we don't want that, because if it happens, it starts to accelerate the aging process. And that is a big no-no, because we want extra kilometres out of our cut flowers, don't we? Because I know I do. So, shave your legs, wax your legs, laser your legs, recut your stem on an angle, because this is a female. I know it's called Bachelor button. I think maybe they should change the name to Bachelorette button. So I've just snipped it. It's got high heels. The diagonal cut allows the water in from the side, which then goes straight all the way to the top. And once that's done, because it's bleeding, you then grab your vase with water and voila, no hairy legs in the water.